The Quran, my dear brothers and sisters, does not need to be written to be preserved. The Quran is memorized from generation upon generation all the way back to the mouth of the Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. How do we know? Only one simple level of evidence is there. You ask any Muslim in the world to recite any passage of the Quran. If they've memorized it and you've never met them before, they could be from the moon. Let's say an alien from the moon or Mars. You can meet somebody from America. You can meet someone from anywhere around the world, from China, from Japan, from anywhere, Middle East or none, and tell them to recite Al-Fatiha. Will there be a difference? There will be no difference. Al-Baqarah, any difference? No difference, not even a word. And the Quran is preserved right to the last letter and dot. Some people, they say, oh no, there's different recitations. We say to you, they're not different words. They are different dialects. And these dialects, Allah also sent them down in that dialect, and we have them preserved.